Eclipse is the most suitable autonomous end-to-end counter-drone solution for civilian and urban environments. That is because it ensures a controlled, safe, and well-predicted mitigation of the drone's intrusion threat without interrupting other communication signals. Our lightweight hardware is easy to deploy as a stationary or portable solution for perimeter protection. When deployed, a virtual dome is automatically created with an operational range of 4 kilometers, providing 24/7 unmanned protection. The system immediately identifies and monitors both the drones attempting to enter the perimeter and their operators. Only known and authorized drones can enter the no-fly zone. Otherwise, the system automatically takes full control of the drone. And by using smart circumnavigation and collision avoidance, it safely lands the drone at a location of choice. Inside the no-fly zone, the Eclipse system can deny drones from taking off altogether. Eclipse implements the highest security standards while ensuring public safety, without creating new risks and collateral damage. Our software is user-friendly and easily managed, with full VMS integration, generating intelligence reports and heat maps. Our core R&D team of experts allows us to adapt to new releases on a daily basis. Eclipse by NSO is a field-proven solution, already serving many customers from different industries all over the world. Visit us to learn more.